which is being talked about. But one thing is very clear. I think Dulat Saab is also very clarified again and again. He said in his book, he very clearly says that Dr. Saab said that we were never taken into consideration when Article 370 was removed. So obviously, if we are clearly saying that if you are to believe him, he says कि इनको पता ही नहीं था. So that is one thing which was the stand of National Conference throughout, that we were not consulted. This was not done. This was a unilateral exercise done in their typical bulldozer way and not in the constitutional way. That was number one. Number two, he says, Dulat Saab says that, they were willing to do business with the BJP in 2023, and then Rahul Gandhi hugged him, and suddenly Dr. Saab changed his mind because the hug was because he got a hug from Rahul Gandhi, and when Rahul Gandhi hugged him, he decided to change his mind. I do not even think that this is such a juvenile kind of a statement that I do not think this even deserves a response. Real politics does not work. You and I and everybody knows that politics does not, a hug here and there does not change politics. It does not change sentiments. It does not change allies. If hugs changed everything, today every country would have been India's friend, but that doesn't happen because the hugs don't work. This National Conference allying with Congress was consistent with National Conference's own stand. It was consistent with us joining the India Alliance long back. It was consistent with us creating PAGD in 2019. It was consistent with our politics. So there was no inconsistency here. And to say that, oh, we wanted to do business with the BJP, if we did, what happened? Why didn't we do business with the BJP? Maybe if he's on your show next time, tell him that what was the BJP's response to it? Because so far, even the BJP spokesperson is smiling and not telling us what happened there, because none of it existed. As I said, somebody wants to sell his book and they want to concoct stories. We can't respond to that. The bottom line, Zafar Sahab, remains that it is the National Conference that has kept India's largest, most powerful, richest political party, that has made this political party, the BJP political party, with money, Modi, muscle, media. We are the ones who made these guys sit in the opposition. And inshallah, we will make them sit in the opposition. People can see this. That is a fact, and that is the reality. Whatever you say, I say, Pathania Saab says, Dulat says is irrelevant. The reality remains that if it were not for the National Conference, we would have had a BJP's chief minister in Jammu and Kashmir right now.
Right.